Yesterday I was in Cannock directing a client story. I was that excited doing it that I completely forgot to record a vlog, so I'm now doing a voiceover. So this is Charade, a supercar repair centre over in Cannock. They've been clients for about 7 months. So we wanted to film a client story about how we've helped them improve with the technology that we've given them. This is Steve, the MD, backing a Lamborghini into the showroom so it can be in the background of his interview. So there he is in the car, and we've got his chair set up. And there's a rear shot of the Lambo coming up now, and those are the two camera guys. You see the lighting around the side of the car as well. And Steve's now finished doing his interview, and well, the best way to leave an interview is to head off in your Lamborghini. So off he goes, and in about 2 weeks' time we'll have the final cut made, and it will be put out live on YouTube, Twitter, LinkedIn, all our social channels and the website for you to watch.